All right, fellow RC addicts, welcome back to the channel. Today we have got the Kyosho 2020 Mercedes AMG GT3. It's the latest in the Phaser Mark II lineup of the Ready Set series. It's a 1/10 scale vehicle, and as you can see, like I said, it is the Mercedes AMG GT3. Now, I've been waiting for this vehicle for about a month and a half, or 2 months since I heard it was coming out. And it's finally here. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick unboxing. Now this vehicle is not unlike the Acura NSX I unboxed last. It's pretty much the same platform. The only thing different is obviously the body, okay, and I think that's it. So let's go ahead and get this thing unstrapped here. They've got it good and secure. Come on. It's not like I've never used scissors before. There we go. Alright, let's get that packaging out of the way. They have that down there nice and secure so it doesn't bounce around in the box. And the plastic, this is one of the most fulfilling parts right here, satisfying parts, is peeling the plastic off. Reveal that nice shiny body. Look at that. Is this thing awesome or what? Fantastic. Check the detail on this one. It comes with mirrors. The NSX didn't come with mirrors. This one does. Which is a pretty nice touch. Give you a good look around there. You can see the detail in this, man. It's really nice. You got the vents in the side, those nice wheels, vents in the hood, that big wing out back. And this is actually, just like the NSX, it's officially licensed. This one licensed by Daimler Chrysler Mercedes. Yeah, I believe. Let's see here. What else do we have in the box? We've got your instruction manual, something you should always read. Also comes with some tools, your spare wheel disc here, so you can change that to a 190 millimeter body. Right now it's sitting on a 200 millimeter body. You just have to swap those out. You got your tools, bind plug, instruction manual, something you should always read, and looks like they gave us some stickers here too. You probably have to cut these out. Looks like you might have to cut these out. So we'll set this to the side. Also in the box, you've got your Synchro KT32 1P transmitter, 2.4 gigahertz. Steering wheel, throttle reverse as usual, and you've got your steering trim, throttle trim, endpoint adjustments, steering dual rate, reverse settings, steering reverse, throttle reverse, all the normal stuff, on-off switch. And I believe all you need for this is 4 AA batteries right here. All right, meat and potatoes of this bad boy. Let's check them out. Take the body clips off. Like I said, this is the Ready Set line, so it's ready to run. All you need to supply to complete is 4 AA batteries, like I mentioned, for your transmitter, and your LiPo or NIM battery for the vehicle. Now here we've got your 550 14-turn brush motor from stock. You have your 60 amp ESC, and this is 2S capable. There's a jumper in here to switch from LiPo to NIM. I don't know if you can see that there. But right now it's set in the LiPo setting, so you can just go ahead and plug your LiPo battery straight in there. This is a great platform to start on and start customizing. There are lots of aftermarket parts for these things available. I already have acquired myself a drive shaft for this one, and I'm going to tell you, this car is not going to see 1 second of road time. This is the shelf queen right here. When I'm going to plans for this, I'm going to upgrade it with all the option parts, and it's going to sit on the shelf looking pretty. I already have one I can drive around that I've been driving around. I need to do video on that, but it's broken at the moment. I just got some parts to repair it. So this one is just here to look nice, look pretty. And that's all it's going to do. It's not going to go brushless. It's going to stay brushed and look like that. So we've got oil-filled shocks, full ball bearings all the way through, and pretty much that's it for the tech specs on this, man. I will be making more videos on this for the install videos and upgrades. Like I said, I did get the drive shaft for it. I'd like to get the motor mount, which is one thing that's in short supply, and everything is going to come. We already have oil-filled shocks on here. I want to add those metal bits like the drive shafts and everything else they have to offer. So I'll do videos as I get parts in to install, show you guys how to do that step by step. Another thing that I did overlook on this body, light buckets. My NSX did not have light buckets. You've got light buckets, front and rear. Cool, man. You want to get a vehicle like this? Go see my boy Joe, omgrc.com. This guy will take care of all your RC needs. Check him out. On that note, deuces. God bless.